EUR, USD Technical Analysis. Current level, 1.0550. The EUR-USD currency pair made gains on Monday, reaching a peak at 1.0561, and appears to be moving toward the next potential bullish objective. The start of the week saw a stronger U.S. dollar, driven by ongoing Middle East tensions impacting market sentiment. However, as the day unfolded, the USD weakened against its primary counterparts. As of the time of this analysis, bulls are making attempts to breach the resistance at 1.0561. If they succeed in breaching through, their next target will be the subsequent resistance level at 1.0607. Conversely, if they are unable to surpass the aforementioned resistance, bears may seek to reverse the trend, testing the psychological support level at 1.0500 once more. It's worth noting that the upcoming U.S. retail sales report, scheduled at 14:30 Central Europe Summer Time, carries the potential to introduce volatility into the markets.